Okay, in today's homework on page 115 of your Succeed book, the directions say convert each mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. We also call those improper fractions. Draw a number line to model your work. So on this page, we're going to change our fraction from mixed number to an improper fraction, and we're going to draw a number line to model that. So let's look at the first one. Remember, we talked about how to do this today in class. We did many examples. So I'm going to do B and C for you, and then you're going to do D and E using the same way that we're doing it right now. Okay, so in the first fraction, our units is fifths. So I'm going to take 4 times 5/5 plus 2/5, because 5/5, remember, that's not 5, that's really a 1. To change our 4 into fifths, we did that a lot today as examples. So let me do that, and then I'm also going to draw a number line to represent this problem. Okay, in the problem B problem, we have 20 fifths plus 2 more fifths equals 22 fifths. So we went from a mixed number to our improper fraction, or the fraction more than 1. When we're looking at our number line, because we're talking about fifths, we have 5 hops between 0 and 1, 5 hops between 1 and 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have 5 fifths. And then we're going to continue that process. Okay, we continue that. We have 5 fifths plus 5 fifths plus 5 fifths plus 5 fifths and 2 fifths more, which equals 22 fifths. So we proved on our number line how we changed our mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, I'm going to do C. While I'm working on it, you work on the one in your book, and then you can look back at this video. Pause it and then come back to it. Okay, to change our mixed number 5 3/8 to 43/8, first of all, we multiply by 1, 5 times 8/8, and then we get 48 plus 3 more 8s, and we get 43/8. And if you look down on my number line, these are 8 little hops because we're talking about 8. So this is 8 8s, 8 8s, 8 8s, 8 8s, 8 8s, 3 8s, which is equal to 43/8. Okay, on page 116, we're changing 5 2/3 to an improper fraction. So we changed 5 2/3 to 17/3. The way we do that is we have 5, and then we're multiplying by 3/3. So that we're changing 5 to thirds. Like, what would that be? So that would be 15/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 17/3. Okay, you work on number 2C, and then do the rest of the problems. Come back and check after you do 2C to see if you're understanding.